Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how you can turn on the picture countdown of your phone camera. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to turn on the picture countdown of your phone camera, it's actually so easy. So to do that, first, of course, you will need to go to your camera. And once you're on camera, next, I want you to tap the menu or the three horizontal lines right here. And after tapping it, you will now be able to see the countdown options right here. So just select the duration of your countdown. And after selecting, it's done. Congratulations, the countdown will now be set, so you can now start taking pictures. And so that's just how you do it, guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.